running a business and I use Zoho Bigin as my CRM. And what happens is my team manually adds all the lead details into my Zoho Bigin CRM. And yes, as you know that this is a very time consuming, tedious process. And to solve this problem, I have created this amazing automation where what is going to happen is whenever we're going to receive a new lead, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho Bigin. And yes, this is true. And if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and you can also create this automation for free. What you have to do is just get your laptops and follow me. So open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of contact details into your Zoho Bigin CRM for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And these are the features which you're going to get when you purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Once again, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So yes, this discount coupon code is specially for you. But I'll suggest you once try Pabbly Connect for free, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So once you sign up inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard and then open your workflow builder. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to search for Google Ads because I'm collecting the lead details using Google Ads. So I'm just going to search for Google Ads right over here and select it. For the event, I'm just going to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now you can see that we have received this webhook URL. So let's just copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, you're going to see that I have added this lead form where I've selected the details like the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. You can select as much as details you want, but I'll suggest you the details which you're selecting in your form should be very specific, because the minimum number of details you add, the maximum number of chances to get the form filled by the lead. Yes, because sometimes the leads get distracted or get bored while filling in the form. So it is advised that you enter the less number of questions, just collect the contact details, and further you can contact them using those details and then ask them for the rest of the details which you want to collect. Alright, now you're going to see that I'm just going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect, and for that I'm just going to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this. It is asking for the webhook URL, so paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response. You're going to see the company name, the phone number, the email, the first name and the last name. Now using these details, I'm just going to create a new contact in Zoho Bigin. But now you have two options. The first option is use the same details, follow me and create the contact in Zoho Bigin using the test details. The second option which you have is you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead in real time. But I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. No need to worry. Now what we have to do is we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho Bigin and select it right over here. For the event, you have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho Bigin and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho Bigin. It is asking for the domain, so to get this domain, just open your Zoho Bigin account and in the URL you're going to get the domain. After this, https://begin dot and then before this /begin. So this is the domain which is zoho.in. So I'm just going to copy this domain and paste it right over here. Your domain can be anything from below. My domain is zoho.in. After entering this, click on this save, and now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. Now this Zoho Bigin account is connected with Pabbly Connect, so select the owner and one by one enter all of these details. But you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So you must be wondering, how are we going to insert this data? So for that you have to select the field, then put slash and then look for the data. Like if you want to map the last name, so type slash last name and the last name is going to appear. I'm just going to show you. Well, I'm just going to type slash last name. Over here is the last name, so we're just going to map this, which is the string value. Now the next is date of birth, so we don't have these details. We are only going to map the details which we have of our lead, like this email address and then the phone number. And you can also ignore the details which you don't have and move on further, map the details which are required. So as you can see, only this last name was required, but I'm mapping the first name, email and phone number and the company name because we had these details of our lead. After mapping these details, I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, and once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho Bigin. So let's open our Zoho Bigin account and we're going to refresh this contact list in order to check for the new contact created, and you're going to see the new contact is created. You're going to see the first name, last name, the email, phone number and the rest of the details, also the company name right over here. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho Bigin. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.